Welcome to our August series on common electrical violations that turn into a red tag from the inspector. Passing the electrical inspection series, a failed inspection doesn't just mean another trip to the job site. It can delay an entire project, frustrate the general contractor, and cost thousands in lost time. Over the next several posts, we'll share real-world inspection tips based on common mistakes inspectors find every day and how to avoid them before the red tag is written. Here's a rooftop inspection mistake that catches a lot of electricians. Factory-installed wiring and field-installed wiring don't play by the same rules. When conductors are field-installed from a disconnect switch through the HVAC unit to an internal wiring compartment, many inspectors expect those conductors to be installed in a raceway. It's common to see electricians run open wiring through the unit because the factory wiring looks the same. The difference is that the factory-installed conductors were evaluated as part of the equipment's listing by a nationally recognized testing laboratory, such as UL. Any field-installed branch circuit wiring was not part of that evaluation and may be subject to different installation requirements. Before leaving the job, take a second look at any conductors you've routed through the equipment housing. It could save you from an unnecessary red tag and a return trip. The electrician installed open wiring inside the HVAC unit and received a red tag during the rooftop electrical inspection. Field-installed wiring inside the equipment should be in a wet location raceway, such as LFMC or LFNC, since this louvered area might be subject to weather.